Hello class. Today I'm going to help you all understand how the James Webb Space Telescope has revolutionized how we see space and the revolutionary improvements it has made from its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope. The James Webb has made many improvements compared to its more well-known counterpart, the Hubble Space Telescope. You've probably heard of it while going through elementary or middle school, and according to NASA's official website, a few of these improvements are that the James Webb can take in 15 times more light compared to the Hubble and is able to look deeper in space than humanity has ever been able to before. And the James Webb also has a much higher resolution quality than the Hubble did. One of the ways that the James Webb is different from the Hubble is that according to NASA's official website, it will orbit around the Sun instead of the Earth, as you can see from this picture. There is the James Webb, there's the Earth, and there's the Sun. It can do this by being around 1 million miles away from the Earth in what is called the second Lagrange point. And instead of facing towards the Earth, it will face away from both the Sun and Earth at all times. This will allow it to get much more in-depth pictures, including the picture of James Webb's first deep field image, which looks like this. There are thousands of galaxies in this image, including the faintest objects ever observed from the infrared light that has been shown to us by the James Webb Space Telescope. The picture of the vast universe covers a patch of sky approximately the size of a grain of sand, at arm's length reach while lying on the ground looking up at the sky. That was stated by NASA's official website. One of the most revolutionary findings is that it can now see past the dust clouds that cloud some of the stars that we have not been able to see before. One of these clouds includes the Southern Ring Nebula, which looks like this. And this telescope recently captured the star at the center of the scene, has been sitting out rings of gas for thousands of years in all directions for the first time ever. The James Webb has been able to see what's under the cloak of dust, including this. The James Webb will allow astronomers to find many more specifics about these types of planets, and we'll be able to find way more of these planets. Now, this is a demograph of the amount of water found on a planet over 100 light years away. The James Webb has been able to detect the atmospheric composition of planets up to like hundreds of light years away. By doing this, it will be able to detect if there's water on the planet, along with being able to do it much faster and much more accurately than the Hubble ever could. Finally, the James Webb has been able to depict some of the first galaxies ever created after the Big Bang. While using the high-tech infrared cameras, however, astronomers have been starting to report surveys of infrared galaxies that had formed well before what was estimated on how long it would take for stars to form. Many groups are claiming that they have observed galaxies soon after the Big Bang, with one claiming that they have observed a galaxy with a crazily early time of 180 million years after the Big Bang. Current theories, that just couldn't work with current theories. It says in current theories that it would take around 400 million years to have stars form after the Big Bang. But the James Webb Telescope is able to find like pictures with infrared light of galaxies forming way earlier than that. And although these are only preliminary reports, it will still take a decent amount of time until they are confirmed as true or not. And even though some may say that the Big Bang Theory is to be thrown out the window, it can still not be proven whether it be true or not. In general, however, these implications could not have been made without the massive scientific improvements that the James Webb Telescope has made. Even though we do not know what the future will hold for us, these results show just how important that the telescope is for space exploration moving into the future.